Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And if this is your first time visiting this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss any of my videos. Hey guys, I guess you can call this style a goddess halo hairstyle. And I have wrapped a braid around my teeny weeny afro. So I hope I did a good job. And just let me know what you think about this look. So stay tuned and check out the products that I've used to create this look. Okay, I have used the Canon Shea Butter for Natural Hair Moisturizing Care Activator Cream. Now, once I put this cream in my hair, you may see some white residue, but trust me, it will fade as you style your hair. I am continuously massaging my hair so that I can form some curls. So as long as you massage it, you will see a little curl definition in your hair. So make sure you keep on rubbing and rubbing and rubbing until you do see some curls forming. Now I am using my wide tooth comb to lift up my curls in my hair, just to give it some height. I am using the X Precision braid hair, and I already braided the hair, and now I am stretching it for a wider look. To secure the braid to my teeny weeny afro, I am using bobby pins. Okay, y'all, I am not a pro trying to lay edges, so I am using the Canon Shea Butter for Natural Hair Extra Hold Edge Stay Gel. So I am creating some edges, and y'all, I am not a pro, but I do my best. Okay? Okay, y'all, this is how it looks in the back. And I know I was supposed to smooth my kitchen up, but it is what it is. And now I am spraying some Black Magic root spray on my hair. It is in a black, and it is by L'Oreal. Magic Root Cover Up. Because my edges are gray, and it needs to be colored soon. Hello, you guys. This is my final look of the Goddess Halo hairstyle. I have a braid around my teeny weeny afro. You guys, let me know what you think about this look. I did my best. Thank you all so much for watching. Please come back, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss any of my videos. Please come back, because you will never know what I have next for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.